In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your templates in Outlook Web. This short 5-minute guide will walk you through the entire process, making things efficient and easy for you to manage and send your emails with templates. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. You might be familiar with the interface, but if you're not, don't worry. The layout is fairly intuitive, making it easy to navigate. Once you're on the site, look to the top right hand corner where you'll see the option to sign in. Click on that button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Remember, your login credentials are crucial for accessing your personalized templates, so make sure you enter them correctly. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Outlook inbox. At this point, you're ready to start writing a new email. Look for the new mail button, which is typically situated to the left. Click on it to open a new message window. Now, this is where we get to the part about using the pre-created templates that can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you're sending similar types of emails frequently. In the top right corner of the toolbar on the new mail window, you'll notice an icon that represents apps. Click it and a menu will drop down. From the menu, select My Templates. This is one of the handiest features of Outlook, allowing you to store and access templates quickly and seamlessly. Once you click on My Templates, you'll see a list of your saved templates. These are the templates you've created and customized to suit different emailing needs. Go through this list to find the one that fits your purpose the best for the email you're drafting. After selecting the desired template, click on it and you'll notice that it automatically inserts into the body of your email. This insertion copies all of your pre-saved content, so there's no need to rewrite or worry about the layout. It's all there, set up and ready for you to make any necessary adjustments specific to the current recipient or add additional content if needed. Using templates not only saves time but also ensures that your emails maintain a consistent format and professional tone. This is especially useful for businesses and frequent communicators who send out similar messages repeatedly. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to use your templates in Outlook Web, making your emailing task quicker and more efficient. Remember to keep your templates updated and organized so you have the right message ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most out of your Outlook experience. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out our other guides and tutorials. Happy emailing,